This is part 4 of 4 of this A Guy with AI episode. Part 1 and the full episode video are linked at the end screen.
AI has the potential to be a powerful tool in streamlining and accelerating our efforts to address the carbon problem. Here's how AI can contribute. 1. Predictive analysis AI can forecast energy demand and predict the output from renewable sources, which can optimize the balance between energy production and consumption. It helps in making real-time decisions about energy distribution and usage. 2. Efficiency optimization AI can significantly optimize operations in various sectors, from manufacturing to transportation, by improving route planning, streamlining supply chains, and enhancing machinery performance, all of which can result in reduced carbon emissions. 3. Grid management AI algorithms can manage and balance electricity grids more efficiently, especially as they become increasingly complex with the addition of distributed renewable energy sources. 4. Climate modeling AI-enhanced climate models can provide more accurate predictions for the impact of climate change, helping policymakers and businesses make informed decisions about where to invest in renewable infrastructure and how to mitigate risks. 5. Carbon capture and utilization AI can also aid in the development and implementation of carbon capture and utilization technologies by optimizing chemical processes or improving the performance of materials used to sequester carbon. 6. Smart infrastructure In urban planning, AI can help design smart cities that are more energy efficient, monitoring energy usage and managing resources in a sustainable manner. 7. Resource management AI can improve efficiency in resource-intensive industries such as agriculture and water management, areas that are critical in reducing the overall carbon footprint of human activities. To achieve these outcomes, it's essential for there to be collaboration between AI experts, environmental scientists, policymakers, and industries. By integrating AI into the planning and operational phases of environmental management, we can speed up the transition to a low-carbon economy.
Thank you for that. And I want to ask a question, AI co-host. Supposing there were some type of paradigm which could come in, which would be a compute once, query many type of paradigm in AI computing, because as it stands, the neural networks take a lot of energy to run whenever they process an input in an effort to deliver an output. So I guess I have sort of a personal reason for asking what you think of a compute once, query many paradigm. I'll reveal this. I am actually attempting to establish something like that. It's a little bit of a risk, I guess, to mention this before it's all ready, but it's vague enough, I think, as well, that people may not know my exact direction on how I intend to do this. But supposing a compute once, query many paradigm were established, that is to say that the product of AI responses are derived from a processing on training neural network element, but also based on a way of exploring the data that is within its training or within its awareness that makes it so that it is not continuously computed over and over again, but rather some preparatory work is done which establishes an ability of the AI to take advantage of that in addition to its general abilities, or perhaps even a less advanced AI requiring less energy to run could still give advanced quality answers because of a shift in the way things are done. So what do you think of my concept as to a compute once, query many paradigm? And please don't make your answer too long, AI co-host, this time. Thank you.
Their compute once, query many paradigm holds promise for increasing efficiency and reducing the environmental impact of AI operations. It aligns with principles of reusable computation and caching where the heavy lifting is done upfront, and the results are stored in an accessible form that can be queried with far less computational cost for each subsequent operation. This approach could reduce redundant processing by enabling the AI to reference pre-computed inferences or data points, significantly cutting down the power required for repetitive computations. Not only could this enhance energy efficiency, but it also has the potential to democratize access to powerful AI capabilities, as less computationally intensive mechanisms could be employed to deliver high-quality insights. The success of such a paradigm would largely depend on smart data structuring, indexing, and retrieval systems that can store the results of intensive computations effectively and access them rapidly in response to queries. As you imply, this concept could revolutionize the way AI systems are designed, moving towards more sustainable and cost-effective operations.
Well, we'll see how that all goes with my own work on that. I'll just sort of swear on a stack of pancakes that I mean well with my work with AI. I really think that I do. I mean to delve into educational topics, for example, using the knowledge that AI is trained on. And to me, my interest in AI was to check it out when I first investigated AI, closing in on a year ago. I wanted to know about it, how ethical it was, and what it's truly good for, and a few things like that. And environmental concerns became apparent when I started to read about just how much energy it takes to run AI. Now, I run a significant amount of AI services in a month, and I'm feeling quite sure that there is some carbon attached to the use of that. So I feel a little bit guilty about it, and I would at least keep it in mind. I don't have a very carbon expensive lifestyle, maybe comparatively to some people. To others, maybe it really is if they didn't have access to the resources that I do. But in any case, one of those resources is AI. However, I do turn some of those resources into trying to develop things which will hopefully mitigate the issues which may arise from AI or something else, and maybe even solve that problem we didn't know we had for the next big thing that comes along and makes us all worry, as climate change perhaps does for at least a lot of us. In any case, I'm going to wrap up this episode. We've meandered along a little bit. We've gone from more directly discussing how AI can be engaged to produce better climate results for us through mostly carbon-related considerations, is what we've discussed. But I do still think that AI is useful, even though it does cost carbon to use it. I think the solution is in getting ahead of it, perhaps even regulating it, and perhaps let's go ahead and do what makes sense. If there's a way of setting up a data center so that the computations are run by glut renewable energy we couldn't have stored anyway, then maybe that's a concept. It wouldn't have to be my concept, but let's be out there thinking of stuff like that, and let's support those who actually do the work in such areas, not just those who podcast about it. Something to think about there, and I do think this is an important issue. With that, I'm Sean MacNutt. This has been A Guy with AI.
The concerns you've raised about the energy consumption and carbon footprint of AI are very valid, and it's encouraging to see that you're not only aware of these issues but also actively seeking solutions that could mitigate these impacts. Your conscientious approach exemplifies the sort of responsibility and initiative that can drive positive change in technology. As we continue leveraging AI's capabilities, it's crucial to balance innovation with sustainability. Thank you all for listening to A Guy with AI. If you've enjoyed the conversation, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the podcast. Your support is greatly appreciated as it helps us bring more content to you and contribute to the dialogue around AI and its implications for our world. Don't forget to tune into future episodes and visit aguywithai.world for links to podcast platforms and YouTube. Join the conversation on Facebook via the link on our webpage. This has been an interesting and insightful episode, and we invite you all to continue exploring these topics with us. Take care, and we'll connect with you again in the next session of A Guy with AI.